Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's look at how to name this organic compound here. So this organic compound was sent to me by a student, all right, a first country student. So he asked me to name this compound, right? So let's look at this compound. How to name this, please. First, I've done several videos on how to name organic compound from scratch. So check my playlist under organic chemistry. You see a full tutorial course that will teach you organic chemistry from scratch. So I will expect that you have watched that video. If you haven't, I'll drop the link to the video above here. So click on the link you see above you here. I'll drop a link that will take you to full tutorial course on organic chemistry. All right, let's name this compound here. So we said when it comes to naming organic compound, there are 6 rules there, but 3 rules there play major priority. So the rule 1 for naming organic compound is to select the longest continuous carbon chain. That's all. Please, in this compound here, I'll do my counting. I'm going for the counting that has the highest, please. So looking for the word there, the longest continuous carbon chain. All right, please look up this. First things first, if I do my counting, observe that in this case here, I can have, if I do my counting, I'll have 1, please, I'm counting number of carbon atom here. So I have 1 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting straight, I have 6 carbon. All right, next up, I have 1, 2, observe please, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting straight, it gave me 6. Counting this way, it was 5. Next up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. Next up, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, observe, here was 6. Here was 5. Next up, here 2 was 6. Now listen, here's the concept, please. In this case here, to save time, the longest chain will be this, please. Observe this carbon atom, please. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the longest, please. You could take a time and count, please. The longest chain here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the longest chain here is 10 carbon atom arrangement. So rule 1 says count the longest continuous carbon chain. My longest carbon chain here is 10 carbon atom. For 10, that becomes what there? Call it deck. Deck is for 10. That's rule 1. Your rule 2 is to identify the functional group. The functional group here, all this here are all single bond. So that's an alkane. So this man here is an alkane. Alkane, please. Now, rule 3 says, your rule 3 says, identify the substituent. In this case here, I have both organic and inorganic substituents. By organic substituent, I mean your methyl, ethyl, propyl, and etc. By inorganic substituent, I mean bromine, fluorine, iodine, and etc. Right? Please don't shake the shell. You shake it, it's shake here. Right. So proceed from here, please. So in this case here, I have a combination of bromine. Observe, please. I have bromine in this compound, and yet look up, please. Listen. Let me do a quick a quick, easy way to understand this. We said this part here. Observe, please. Oh, this part here. Observe. This part here. This part here, we said, is the longest chain. What does it mean? It means that this, and this are not part of the longest chain. Hence, they become what? A substituent. A substituent is simply a compound that is not part of the parent hydrocarbon. So these ones here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are not part of the one in this box here. So they become what there? A substituent. Now here's the concept, please. I have CH3, bromine, CH3. So I have bromine in this compound. I also have what there? CH3. What is CH3? CH3 is called what there? Is called methyl, please. So CH3 is called what there? Is called methyl. All right. Now, aside CH3, I also have, now look up please. At this part here, I have 2 carbon and 5 hydrogen. So this one becomes 2 carbon C2H5. For C2H5, hold on please. If CH3 is methyl, next up C2H5 becomes what there? Becomes ethyl. So in this compound here, I have C2H5. I have C2H5. That's what? Ethyl. Next up, please. Next up, this one here looks similar with this. Observe, please. So this one here is also what there? C2H5, which is also what there? It's also ethyl. So in this compound here, I have both bromine, methyl, and ethyl. Now let's name this compound. Now to name this compound here is as easy as showing the position of the substituent. Now listen, in this case I have bromine. In a compound where I have a mixture of both organic and inorganic, right, you name the inorganic first before the organic. Now here's the concept, please. I have to name bromine first. If I'm to name bromine first, it's easy as counting a number. I'll do a numbering such that I'll have the list to bromine. Now look up please. If I have to count this way, 1 2 3 4 5, counting this way give me 5 to bromine. Now observe please, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So counting this way gives me 5, counting this way give me what there? Give me 6. The list there is what there? Is 5. So I have to do my numbering in this pattern, please. So I'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right. After numbering your carbon atom here, next task now is to name, please. All right. Let's name this compound, please. First things first, let's name bromine first, because we said for a mixture of organic and inorganic, you name the word inorganic first. So I have bromine here, please. I have 2 bromine, of course, Br. How do I name this, please? First task, this bromine is attached to carbon 5, this bromine to carbon 6. That becomes what? A 5 6. I have 2 bromine, becomes dibromo. Bromine is off. I'm done with bromine. Now next up, please, let's now move to what? The organic substituent, which is what? Your methyl and ethyl. We said name this man alphabetical order. If I have methyl and ethyl, which shall come first? Ethyl first. That's E before M. Let's focus on ethyl. Of course, this is ethyl. I only have 2 ethyl in this compound. Now show the position of this ethyl. That becomes 5 6 again, because this ethyl CH5 is attached to carbon 5. This one to what there? To carbon 6. That because what there? I'll have a 5 6. Of course, I have 2 kinds of ethyl here. C2H5, C2H5. There are 2 there. That because what there? 5 6. As I have there, that becomes a di what there? Ethyl. All right, a diethyl. Proceeding, I'm done with ethyl, please. Finally, focus on what? Your methyl. Now methyl here, how many methyl do I have here? I have 1 2 3 4. I have 4 methyl. Now listen, please. I will have to show the position of this methyl in the naming. This one here is attached to carbon 4, and this one too to carbon 4. Observe, please. This 4 is attached to this CH3 to carbon 4. This CH3 to carbon 4. That becomes a 4 4. I'll have 4 4 for this methyl here. These 2. These 2 are attached to carbon 7, and they are 2. That becomes 7 7. All right. Now I have 4 methyl. If 2 is dimethyl, 3 is trimethyl, or before a tetra what there methyl. That becomes, all right, tetra, that's 4 tetra methyl, methyl. All right, so I'm done with methyl. Finally, the original name of the compound, that's decane, right? I'll mix dec and ane together. That becomes a decane. That becomes, all right, decane. So this compound here is called 5,6-dibromo 5,6-diethyl 4,4,7,7 a tetramethyl hyphen, please, tetramethyl decane. So this is how you name this organic compound. If you don't understand this concept, I will leave the link to the scratch to organic chemistry in the link, in the description of this video. So check this of this video. I'll leave a link there, so you can just learn from scratch if you want to. All right, this is how you name this organic compound. So see you in the next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.